Hello again. It's fair to say the weather through the rest of this week is going to be unsettled. Many of us will see some wet and windy weather, and in fact it's a fairly wet picture for many this morning already. A band of rain has pushed its way northeastwards and we have some persistent heavy rain across eastern northeastern England. Here we're going to see totals building up as we go through the day, which is why there is a warning out because there could be some disruptions, some travel problems and also localised flooding. Elsewhere across other parts of the UK, quite a few sunny spells and also a scattering of showers. Notice showers across parts of Northern Ireland, but also towards the south. And here some of those showers could be heavy, possibly even thundery. We're likely to see temperatures similar to yesterday for many places, highs around 15-16 Celsius in the south, a little bit cooler further north, but in fact for some northern parts of Scotland, temperatures may be up a degree or two compared to yesterday. As we look ahead towards Wednesday then, and we have a system passing its way across the channel as we go overnight, and then we still have low pressure out in the North Sea as we go through Wednesday itself. But I just wanted to draw attention to this feature that comes in later on Wednesday. That is going to bring a band of rain. But back to Tuesday evening, and you can see the rain in the east-northeast of England gradually clearing away, but then more heavy rain piling in across southern parts of England and perhaps Wales too. This rain is going to be pretty heavy, could cause some problems, particularly on the roads, but also a little bit of flooding as well. We will have some clear skies, particularly towards western, northwestern parts of the UK, and under these clear skies, it's going to turn a little chilly. For many, it is going to be a bit cooler than it was last night, but yes, in the northwest, perhaps a touch of frost, and also watch out for a few mist and fog patches where we have some clear skies. Wednesday then gets off to a wet start in the southeast. Heavy rain here, likely to cause problems on the roads during the morning rush hour, but it does clear away as we go through the morning. And then for many parts of England, Wales and Northern Ireland, there is a drier period with some bright, if not sunny periods. But across eastern parts of Scotland in particular, perhaps northeast England too, with our winds coming in from the east, that's going to drag in some cloud and some rain. That rain won't be especially heavy, but coming in places where we're still recovering from the exceptional rain last week, it could make any ongoing issues worse. We are going to see temperatures again similar to what we've seen earlier on in the week, perhaps a touch down compared to Tuesday, but highs around 14-15 Celsius, so near normal for the time of year. And then you can see that band of rain that I mentioned earlier starting to push its way in from the southwest. That band of rain then is going to sweep its way northeastwards as we go through Wednesday night into Thursday, and then low pressure moving in from the west and another low pressure centre out in the North Sea. So really you can see it's an unsettled picture as we go through the rest of the week. Most of us will see some further heavy rain at times, and we can expect some pretty strong winds too. Could even be very windy for some in the west. But we may need some warnings due to the wind and the rain, so it is worth keeping up to date with the forecast wherever you are across our social media channels, our website and our app. And of course, Aidan McGivern will have a deep dive available on our YouTube channel this afternoon. Bye-bye.